here we go. I'm going to take this XDM 9mm and I'm going to put about 15 rounds through the center of this target and see if I can do some slow squeezing and make it work. She's got cigarette butts in her ears because we forgot our hearing protection. Put your glasses down.
I can't see very good. They're all scratched up.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what you got. Right hand target. Points on the bull. 5 rounds first. Just a little high and right, not bad. Just a little high left, not bad. Didn't see that one. Okay, there's 4. Okay, 5. Let's walk up and take a look. Okay, you got 2 low and 3 high. Okay, try again. Do 5 more. You can. Yeah, if you want to kneel and get nice and steady. All right, film me and I'll shoot off 5. You can get behind me or on the side of me, kind of get a side view or another side view from that side.
Just you, not the target?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the target on camera down there. All right.
Yeah. Hot breath.
Go take a look. Yeah, go ahead. extend your right arm all the way?
Not unless I do this.
Oh, okay, then just pull it back a little bit. That's good. You definitely got more control of the gun that way. It's not flipping around as much. Good.
That was 5.
Well, keep going if you want. Just empty it. Go for it. Tear it up. There it is, it's empty. Draw. Okay.
Did I get him?
You got, well, you certainly got him with 2 rounds at least. Okay, picture me, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Let's watch out for the cow pie.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Ready, aim, fire.
I don't know how many bullets I put in this thing.